In the last lesson, we gave our program the power to make a decision. If a condition is true, else, otherwise, do something else. That's a simple two-way choice. But the real world rarely offers just two options. Imagine a grading system. A student gets 90 to 100, grade A. A student gets 80 to 89, grade B. A student gets 70 to 79, grade C. A student gets less than 70, fail. This is 4 different outcomes. How do we structure our code to check all these possibilities efficiently? If we use a simple if followed by a simple else, we can only handle 2. We need a way to check a second condition only if the first one failed. Welcome to Lesson 3.02. Today, we are learning the else-if statement. The else-if is the intermediate choice. It links the first if and the final else, allowing us to create a chain of possibilities. It creates a single, sequential structure where only one outcome can ever be executed. This lesson will focus on the structure of the if-else chain, the critical importance of order in your conditions. First, the if-else chain. The else-if statement is a checkpoint. It says, the first condition failed, so let me check this next condition. The full decision chain looks like this. Let's build the grading system example. Check this only if score was less than 90. Check this only if score was less than 80. Final fallback if all above conditions failed, score was less than 70. The program starts at the first if. Is 85 greater than or equal to 90? False. The program moves on. It hits the first else if. Is 85 greater than or equal to 80? True. The program executes the code block printf grade B. Good work. Crucially, once one block is executed, the entire chain is finished. The program skips the remaining else if and the final else. The output is simply, grade B, good work. This is the power of the chain, mutually exclusive execution. Only one path runs. Second, the critical importance of order. This is the number one mistake beginners make with else if. The order of your conditions matters because C checks them sequentially. Look at our example again. We checked for 90 first, then 80. What if we reversed the order? The program starts. Is 95 greater than or equal to 70? True. The program executes printf grade C, average. The program stops. The grade 95 is incorrectly assigned a C. The rule of order. When checking ranges, like grades, you must always check the most restrictive condition, highest number, first, and work your way down. Third, why else if is better than multiple independent ifs? You might ask, why not just use a bunch of separate if statements? All these blocks are checked independently. 85 is greater than or equal to 80 is true. 85 is greater than or equal to 70 is true. Output will be grade B grade C. This is broken. The student gets multiple grades. By chaining them with else if, we guarantee that once the student meets the highest criteria, the program stops checking the others. The if, else structure gives you the power to handle complex, multi-layered decisions perfectly. It is ideal when you are checking ranges or overlapping conditions. But what if you are checking for a single, exact value? For example, if the day is Monday, run code A. If the day is Tuesday, run code B. If the day is Wednesday, run code C. Using else if for 20 different exact days can become long and messy. C has a cleaner, dedicated tool for checking one variable against many distinct values. Click on the next video to learn about a powerful alternative for multi-way branching. Lesson 3.03, Conditional Statements, Switch Case.